Today, I'm gonna show you the difference in sound quality of AM versus FM using a virtual audio mixer and a 6-band peaking equalizer. Right now, this is what FM sounds like. I mentioned that AM amplitude modulation sucks in sound quality compared to FM. But then Miss Say said if I use sucks in the exam, since it is not a Cambridge keyword, I will not get the marks. So this, I'm going to switch it to amplitude modulation sound quality. You can tell amplitude modulation has no bass and the treble is rolled off compared to frequency modulation, which proves frequency modulation has the higher sound quality because of the increased bandwidth. And back to frequency modulation. The treble and bass, the clear sound quality have returned. Right here is my digital to analog converter, DAC, and I am running it at 24-bit sampling rate, 24-bit bit depth with 96,000 Hz sampling rate. So 24-bit depth is 16.7 million amplitude values. And you may wonder, why do I have the digital audio optical cable on the screen? Because this is what the DAC accepts optical and coaxial input, as well as USB, which I am currently using because it connects directly to the computer. So coaxial is supposed to look like this, the termination. And in fact, I do have the coaxial cable here. You can see the inner wire to conduct the signal, which is surrounded by the plastic shield, and the outer metal ring is the return, the signal return. This looks different than the RCA plug there because this one is broken. While both of them are supposed to terminate with RCA, that one that I showed previously before this one is working properly and not damaged, but this one is. But anyway, that's what the optical and coaxial cable is supposed to look like. And these RCAs to the amplifiers are output, not input. And next up is Miss A mentioned subwoofers, and I don't need the subwoofer because I don't watch the movie seriously, and I don't have the sub bass because, well, actually I don't want the sub bass because it will piss off the neighbors. And yes, my light is broken. I can't hear below 20 Hz anyway, but the mid bass down to 50-40 Hz is plentiful enough. I'll send a Snapchat showing why. But anyway, this will conclude my video comparing AM to FM, optical and coaxial cable, which is not coaxial. The correct pronunciation is coaxial. And bass subwoofer, Miss A mentioned. Anyway, enough rambling for tonight. I'm going to sleep.